Good morning, welcome back to WanderEats. I'm with Doug this morning and we're going for breakfast and it's an errands day. So a lot of things in store today, so we're gonna play by ear and take you guys with me. But let's go first thing first. We are at Sea Park and we're gonna have breakfast.
SC Park?
SEA, Sea Park.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, I can see it over there. Okay. Sea Park.
At PJ. So we're here, Thong Kee, Malaysia, Kopitiam. It's actually quite popular, this place. So, wow, look at the chicken, the waiting line, the queue system. First time here. And of course, Doug in his element.
Very excited to be here.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks popular.
Yeah.
Wait for a seat
Correct.
ticket to
It
be
is, it is.
assigned.
And they have several outlets as well. So breakfast is served. GoPro running, you see. Rode wireless, and that's Thong Kee for you. We did order pork noodles and Ipoh Hor Fun as well. So can't wait. It's gonna be a filling breakfast. So this is Doug's Ipoh Hor Fun. They put the oil on there so it looks very authentic. Nice. Last but not least, here's the pork noodles. A lot of shredded meat, minced meat, and pork balls. We're just gonna consume this breakfast and then we're gonna head for coffee. So catch you guys there. Our breakfast is done here at Thong Kee. Now we're heading to Puchong. So instead of having coffee here, I think we better head to Puchong first and look at what is in store there for us. Because today one of the main errand run is to go and service my car. So that's what we're doing today. Alright, we're at Max Sticker. This is where I get my sticker done for my car.
That's the name of the place, Max Sticker?
Yeah.
I couldn't figure out looking at
Max
the sign.
Sticker, right
I
at
didn't
the
know
top.
what was the name.
Max
or what
Sticker
was it.
Supply. Amazing company, amazing people. Yeah, so I get my wrap done here as well for my car. So yeah, to protect it and etc. And it's worked out pretty well so far because I've knocked it once and I came here and they fixed it, and when they peeled it, there's nothing on the paint at all because there was a scratch. Yeah, so but when they took out the wrap and they put it in the new one, so on the body itself was immaculate. So yeah, great, worthwhile investment if you get a new car. Right. So now we're just waiting for Grab and we're heading to Puchong IOI Mall for to kill about two and a half hours. Now I've not been to this mall in ages. All right, ages, probably 10 years. So yeah, let's see how much it has changed.
Does it have a specialty? Is it a tech mall or just
No,
regular
it's just a
consumer mall?
neighborhood mall.
Yeah.
We are at IOI Mall. Again, I've not been here in quite some time, decades in fact. Yeah, it looks very new. Everything renovated. Looks beautiful. Can't wait to chill out with this guy for 2 hours. We are at South Court. It's been a while. It looks beautiful. There is a food court upstairs and Village Grocer right behind us. Yeah. Looking around, there's so many food options. You see Aching Laksa, Mary Brown, and then Subway, Happy Potato, Hot and Roll, Yogurt Planet. Wow, the list goes on and on. And there is the new Nut Nut Burger right there next to Chuggy. Such a beautiful, beautiful Village Grocer as well. Wow. Here we have a dessert cafe, and there's a banana bro upstairs as well. Thank God for aircon though. Wow. Shall we hunt for your Digi? Or we just walk around and we'll stumble upon it, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quick stop, if
Sure.
you don't mind.
What are you looking for?
Coffee creamer.
Oh, okay. Cool. Coffee creamer from Mr. Doug. Wow.
I go through a lot of this stuff.
But then you mix it with what? The coffee, right?
Instant coffee.
Oh,
Any
any.
Nescafe or
Or some
whatever.
you add additional.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this stuff is just coffee, right? There's no creamer, no sugar.
You could buy it with the creamer, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I just,
Oh, I
like this,
see.
and then I add this.
Got it. Because like these are already like.
Yeah, they all have sugar though.
Ah, yeah, you're right.
They're all three. There's no 2-in-1. Like 2-in-1 would be cream and coffee.
Yeah, you can. I've seen one, but
I've never.
it's hard to
it's
find.
very rare.
They are not sealed, right? You could open it, right?
No, they're sealed.
Oh yeah, they are sealed.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
I could go for a bigger one. I often I go for the small one, thinking, oh, I don't want to carry around a big one.
Oh, well, that is huge.
Yeah, but
Wow.
it eventually comes down to half, doesn't it get like that?
Yeah.
I'll just go for the big one. Well, even for a price point of view, same really. This is $7.50. That's probably double the size. So it's more about
No, it's more.
yeah.
Because 250, this is 100.
Oh, okay. So it is a better bargain.
Yeah. All good. Ah, I didn't realize that. That's true. Oh, boleh. Yeah, just behind.
Oh, thank you. We can grab it pretty easy.
Yeah, boleh. Itu dia. Oh, sorry. Terima kasih. Alright, we're up at the second floor, and all IT Hypermart is just behind us, and Doug is inside there looking for a 100-watt charger for his new laptop to see whether that works, instead of carrying his mammoth of a power brick. Yeah, I feel him because I used to own a Zephyrus 15 inch as well, gaming laptop, and the power brick is crazily heavy. So yeah, hopefully the 100-watt charger will work for him if he can find it. Yeah, so far the mall is beautiful, nicely renovated. Loving it. Alright, so we are back at Mac's Sticker Supply. That was a great lunch. We had McDonald's. I didn't capture it on camera. He did. So you can watch his video on that. And now we're just picking up the car, and then I'll be dropping him back to J Hotel. Alright, so what a day. Look at that, shopping.
Yeah. Well, my backpack is full.
Groceries too.
And the main item I didn't even buy yet, the charger.
Oh, yeah, the
USB-C
charger,
100-watt charger. Found something that's going to work for me.
Correct,
Very excited about that.
And
Pretty
that-
successful day.
The guy at all IT Hypermart, IOI Mall Puchong, amazing.
Very helpful.
Yeah, very helpful to you.
Let me test everything.
Yeah.
Really
Super.
nice.
Well, we just got to the car. There was a long wait. I'm quite far from the camera and some shouting. So we are now heading back after an eventful day of shopping and getting errands done. So right now it's very heavy rain, as you can see, super heavy rain. And now we're going back to drop this fella and call it a day.
Yeah.
Yeah, what a day.
Harold just lamenting, just got his car worked on, super wrapped, waxed, polished, ready to go. And then we step out into this. It's like the world is ending. It's a flood time.
Oh my god.
Crazy.
Yeah, and Puchong is well known to be flooded, so let's get the heck out of here.
I always like these huge rainstorms though, if I'm not caught in them,
Yeah.
because I'm always by the Klang River and I get to see the water levels rise.
Oh.
It really changes the character of the area. I'd like to see the river flooding.
You can see that from here there?
No.
Oh.
When I'm walking around, if I'm going in at a Pasar Seni station in particular,
I see.
from Pasar Seni station you can look down into the river.
But that will mean you'll be stuck at Pasar Seni.
Well, I could just ride from there up to Masjid Jamek and
Oh, okay.
then I walk to my hotel. I've always got an umbrella with me.
Yeah.
No big deal.
Have you vlogged while holding an umbrella? You have, right?
Oh yeah, many times. Yeah, it's not easy. But, wow, that is so fast, Daryl. The quick capture, that is nice. I just hit the button and instantly it's recording.
Yeah, it is. Alright, so I'm just dropping him off. We are at the MRT station. So long, buddy. See you. And it was a great day. Thank you for accompanying me on this errand run. and shopping day for you.
Yeah, it worked out better for me in a way than for him. I don't think he has any of it on video, really.
Yeah.
Maybe he does, but I took care of a ton of errands that I needed to do. Toothpaste,
definitely on his videos.
sandals, and
Yeah.
research into the power adapter USB-C.
Oh yeah,
So
that was a good.
I got a lot done today,
Yeah.
so that was very good.
Excellent. All right, catch you again.
All right.
Hopefully before you leave.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
for sure. We'll work
Alright.
that out another week or so at a minimum
Alright.
before I head back to Sumatra.
Sounds good. I'll message you from Ho Chi Minh City.
Oh yeah. All right.
All right, buddy. Thank you for watching. Bye.